Up Vacations, and now it's time to comply with Amy. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Amy. I'm a professional traveler as well as a travel agent. And in today's video, we are in Dolly Parton's DreamMore Resort. This resort is located in Pigeon, Tennessee, which is in the beautiful Smoky Mountains right near Gatlinburg. And we're gonna be spending a couple days here at this resort, as well as enjoying Dollywood and all the sights and sounds that Pigeon Forge has to offer. Many of you probably know Pigeon Forge is a very family-friendly destination, which it is, and Dolly Parton's resort is no different. And I cannot wait to show you how beautiful this resort is. It's especially even more special because it's Christmas time right now and everything is all decorated and dolled out for the holiday season. So first I'm going to tour you around our room. We are in a deluxe king room. We have a resort view, and for reference, our room number is room number 509. So let me turn you all around and show you this beautiful room, and then we'll take a look at the resort. Now let's take a look at this deluxe king room. We are in room number 509 for reference, and we do have a resort view room. Right when you come in, there is a very long mirror, so checking yourself before you leave for either Dollywood or for the Stampede or whatever else you might get into here while you're in Pigeon Forge. Right when you come in, a nice little area to hang your coats, which this time of year we are wearing winter jackets. Today is a beautiful day. It's about 60 degrees, but it can get a little bit nippy here and may even snow during your stay if you come during the winter time. When you come into the bathroom, you'll notice a couple different things. There is a separate toilet area which does close. And then here you do have a vanity area with plenty of counter space, as well as some really nice products. You have Gilchrist and Psalms for your use while you're here. Something you'll notice throughout the theming of Dollywood is Dolly Parton loves butterflies, so it's all throughout the resort and the room. And I'll give you a look here of the shower. You do have large size bath products which allow you to be a little bit eco-friendly, which is always nice. They will replenish those as you need them. Okay. And now moving on to the main bedroom area, there is a connecting door, so if you do happen to be traveling as multiple families, you could request a connecting door, of course. When you turn the corner here, most of your standard hotel amenities, including an ironing board, a couple different drawer spaces here, as well as just a little cubby area and closet to hang any of your essential items. Now moving into the main bedroom, again, you'll start to see the butterfly theming throughout. Each of your end tables does have a lamp, as well as some bedside storage, which is great. We here have a king size bed, so as you can see, it takes up most of the space. Moving on to the TV area, large TV for your usage. Here we do have a beverage cooler, as well as a couple extra drawers. Beverage cooler here. This side you do have a safe, and again, more drawer storage. Okay. Moving along, there is a desk area if you do need that, as well as a coffee machine. Little cool nuggets, of course, little postcards of Dolly Parton, which who doesn't love Dolly? That's why we're here, right? Everything's themed with the DreamMore butterflies, so you'll see a lot of that throughout the room. This side you do have, again, another drawer storage, some outlets here as well as on the wall. This sofa area does pull out, so in theory you could sleep 4 people comfortably in this room. And then let's take a look at our view. We do have a resort view here. Obviously it's a little chilly out, so the outdoor pool will not be in use of this trip, but there is an indoor pool, and I will show you that area soon. There is also little fire pits throughout the area. Throughout the resort tour portion of this video, I will show off some of the slower area here more in depth, but this is our beautiful view. Something else I wanted to mention is that this is one of 2 resorts here at the Dollywood Resort. So this is DreamMore, and just recently this year, another resort opened up. It's called Heart Song. So it's a really brand new resort that just came into the area. It just opened up a couple months ago. So hopefully our next trip out, we will get to tour that property. So hope you enjoyed the portion of this room tour. Next up, let's take a look at the rest of the resort. When you arrive at DreamMore Resort, you are welcomed with a very scenic mountain view and southern hospitality. When you arrive to the resort, you will be welcomed by Bell Services. You'll be asked whether you prefer to valet or self-park, and then you'll be able to drop off your luggage and check into your room. While we walk into the lobby, I want to briefly explain the benefits of staying at an on-site resort at Dollywood, either at Heart Song or DreamMore. As an on-site hotel guest, you do receive their version of Fast Pass. This is a jump the line service, as well as free theme park transportation that runs consistently. Something we really enjoyed about this lobby and resort is that it's a very welcoming environment, and throughout the day as well as into the evening, there is a number of live entertainment, including some pianists and some bands. This resort is all connected through the main building, and you'll check in here at the front desk to receive your room key. The lobby itself is broken up into a number of comfortable seating areas that function more like living rooms, and that's truly what they become in the evening, where people enjoy the views, the sounds, and perhaps a glass of wine. If you are interested in having a meeting and event here at this hotel, there is a large convention center where you can book your group's stay. This area pictured here is also where you can purchase tickets and pick up your skip the line service. There are a number of on-site dining options here at the DreamMore Resort. The first is a grab-and-go market as well as a coffee shop where there's a number of offerings for both breakfast, lunch, and dinner. This space offered a lot of options in the morning for breakfast as well as in the evening if you need something light to eat. They did also offer pizzas daily. Additionally, there is ice cream available as well to crave your sweet tooth. Just past the market area, there is a sundries and gift shop where you will find all your Dolly apparel. The best part about this resort is how they decorated for Christmas. They really went above and beyond and made you feel in the Christmas spirit. The on-site full-service restaurant is called Song and Earth. Included in here is a buffet option, but in the bar area, there is also an a la carte option as well as a beverage menu. Although the outdoor pool is closed during the winter months, there is a great option to swim in their indoor pool, which is opened every day. Additionally, there is also a large gym area. Although we didn't use it, it did seem quite nice and well kept.
Camp Dollywood is the kids club, and they do host a number of different events throughout the resort during the day, as you can see listed here. And who does not love an arcade? Here you will find the entrance to the spa. We did do a spa day, so in a couple clips here I will show you the interior of the spa. I will say the spa was a wonderful treat and is really an experience to enjoy. Here is the spa waiting area where you will be checked in as you wait for your service. There is a multitude of services including nail, hair, massage, facials, and in this case we got a couples massage. So here is the interior of one of the spa rooms. This is not the couples room, but it's just one of the rooms. And here is where you will get your pedicure and or manicure if you choose to do so. The exterior of the hotel is really well kept, and even during the winter time still offers a lot of activities, including the fire pits, which I will show in just a moment. Here is the outdoor area of Song and Earth. So during the nicer weather, you can dine outside as well as grab a beverage by the pool area. There are a number of gardens you can walk around and just enjoy. There's a lot of outdoor space at this resort that really makes the environment relaxing and welcoming. Here you can see Dolly's tour bus, which you can rent to stay in. It was a little expensive, so obviously we didn't choose to stay there, but it does house a number of people and it is quite the novelty. One of the coolest activities and nighttime features was the ability to make s'mores at the fire pit. This was organized by the resort and happened nightly. There also is a bedtime story option here in this little hut that the staff read to the children, which was also quite nice. I did want to point out that none of the rooms at this resort have balconies, although a couple do have patios. At Heart Song, the new resort, there are balconies.
And there was our trip out to Dollywood's DreamMore resort. I cannot speak more highly of this resort. It is a stunner, especially during the holiday season when everything is decorated for the holidays and Christmas. But the resort itself is beautiful. It's large, there's lots to do. During the evenings, there's lots of live entertainment, so it's a very mingle-friendly environment where you can just sit and enjoy a beverage and listen to live music at night. The food that we had on property was amazing. We did not end up going to the buffet restaurant, we just chose not to, but we ate at the grab-and-go market many days for breakfast, and it was 10 out of 10 delicious. Coffee was great. Staff was super friendly. I can't say enough about this resort and just how welcoming it was. I do want to point out just a couple of benefits when you are staying at DreamMore. You do get theme park transportation. There is a trolley system that does run, they say about every 30 minutes, but we really waited no longer than about 20, and that was on a rare occasion, otherwise the bus was already there. You get what is called a time saver, which is a little wristband that saves you time in line. I think it was 5 or 6 rides that were included that you could use it for. Because Dollywood was as empty as it was, we ended up not even using it, but you do get that every day of your stay if you do stay at the resort, and that is complimentary for your entire party, which is a huge benefit. There is also complimentary package delivery that they will take any souvenirs you buy and take them back to the resort, which is so nice because then you don't have to haul your bags throughout the park. All in all, amazing stay. If you are looking to book your next Dollywood Pigeon Forge vacation, please let me know. I'd be happy to help book that for you. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. As always, my details are listed in the description for any destination you're looking to plan. And until next time, happy travels. Bye.